Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in Adobe After Effects CC 2020. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to separate the dimensions for the position properties of a layer. This gives you full control and the ability to add individual expressions to the X and Y values if you're working in 2D, and to the Z value if you're working in 3D. To separate the dimensions of the position property, just select the layer, twirl down the little arrow here, twirl down transform, select position, right click on it or control click on it, and select separate dimensions. You'll see here, if I try to do it on any other transform property, the separate position is grayed out. You can only do it on the position property. And the keyboard shortcut for the position property, so you don't have to go through all that scrolling, if you select a layer, just tap on P and that'll bring up the position property. So right click or control click anywhere on it and select separate dimensions. And you'll see that will split the XY position. And if you're working in 3D, so if I click on the 3D tab here, and if I go back to position only, you'll see here now I can separate the X, Y, and Z positions. One use case for separating the position property of a layer is you can parent other layers now to the individual dimensions, the X, Y, or Z position. And another popular use case for separating the dimensions of the position property is that you can now add expressions to the individual X, Y, or Z positions. So if I press the Option key and click on the stopwatch, I could add something like a wiggle to the X position and to the Y position individually. And if you ever want to combine all the positions back to one again, just right click or control click on any of the positions and uncheck separate dimensions. And that will put them back into one. My name is Mike Murphy, and that is how you separate the position property dimensions in Adobe After Effects CC 2020. Cheers!